everyone try to guess where we are today, and my channel's name is Citrovia VIP, and try to guess where we are today. I'll tell you in some time. So we're going to the blue lights. We are going to the blue lights. Let's see what they are. When we reach the blue lights, I'm going to tell you what it is. And we made it to the blue lights. This is Citrovia. In Citrovia, you will see lots of beautiful lemons. Located in New York, Manhattan. Look at these beautiful lemons. You can just come here and sit down and enjoy the amazing view of these lemons. This park is so beautiful, right everyone? Citrovia is more than 700 lemons that have been hand painted along with trees. Do you know that humans painted this with only hands? That's amazing! How did they paint 700 with hands? Look and sit down and relax. Open for public and totally free, so you don't have to give any money to come to this park. This is a fantastic citrus garden. Look at that lemon, it looks like a beehive. I look like I no need to explain anything. You can just sit here and look at the view. Look how beautiful this park is. Look at those lots of lemons. I wonder how people painted this with only hands. Look how much lemon there's here. It looks like real lemon, doesn't it? Look, some of the leaves are lemon. These are pieces of lemon. This garden is so beautiful, isn't it? But now remember, friends, when life gives you lemon, make lemonade. But these lemons are too beautiful to make lemonade. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe and hit the bell. See you later.